be out there barbecuing for Father's Day. Dog, that's what that white meat is too dry. You gotta eat that dog meat.
I don't know if he's gonna go in there or not, or if I'm gonna get back. 576,
Yeah, roger there. Have a good night. 460. Talk to you tomorrow. 460-576. Clear, standing by.
202.
YardDog 811, Southern California, East Devon, waving at you.
I'm waving over there 135 in the hog yard. Happy Father's Day is coming up there. 660, make a really good job over yonder. Morning, you know it, Lee. Hello, come in. I see you calling that name, man, but then, couldn't damn, yeah, Silver Eagle. One more again by ByuBoy. Let's talk about it. Send her a great big see what's going on there. Find one out there. 63, there for a mobile. Mud duck mobile. We got to get rolling over there. I think you said 155 Mississippi, or you might be calling for 155 Mississippi. Just trying to really get it, okay? Right back. I might have you dialed in there. I don't know. I'm waving right back.
163 Pirate waving.
Bang.
What's going on, Pirate? I heard you come in there, YardDog, waving at you.
Waving there, YardDog.
Hello, I got that handle, Mudfish. Got you in there, Mudfish. It's kind of rough and tough, man. I'm on this ground plane. It's calm down the hog yard. Up north from Roger. Sorry if I couldn't get to you. But,
Heavy Holic, I got a copy on you. YardDog 811, SoCA. We got a copy, but it's rough and tough out here today. Anyway, YardDog waving back. 260. Texas, I heard you in there. YardDog waving back.
YardDog, you're making that Lord Bernie in the kicking back, one more time.
163 can hear you there, YardDog, but he can't hear me. Go for it.
163, my buddy 9, 163, I get waving at you. You sounding good over here in Southern California there in New Mexico.
You're doing a great job, man. Kilowatt, no doubt about it. Back to you. Hey, 410, I'm gonna slide on out.
Hey, 001, just aim your scooter toward Texas. You'll pick up everybody there. 001, YardDog, waving.
I sure do. Feeling good over here. Let's go and just keep it real going.
You hear that, New Mexico? I heard Texas 260. YardDog waving at all y'all. Hello there, Skipland. YardDog 811, waving at all y'all. Sit on the curb, swinging my legs. Come on.
Hello, YardDog. You're sounding good over here in your Kaipa. Hey, YardDog, you know who it is out here on my little electric scooter. Hey, YardDog, good evening to you. 001 out here on my little electric scooter. Selling tacos and I'm back out. Got you coming in a couple pounds there.
104001. And I thought I ought to aim my house at you, Kaipa, but never mind, you came through.
Right on that. All right, catch you later, YardDog. 001 out here in the taco selling little electric cart. I'm out here trying to make an extra buck. I'll see ya.
See you too there, 001. You had yourself a good one.
Making a good trip down here in the pile, brother. Your Watchmaker right back. Son of a
Watchmaker, 460,
10-4 on the pile. 10-4 down there from Southern California to the sand pile. I said sand pile.
I got to do it. Roll that California. California Mobile.
Up there, 460. I'm going to wave a hand back at him, too. Take care of 135.